Hello, welcome to AEG Motorhomes. Today we're going to be looking around the Bessacarr 599. Superb model, ideal family vehicle. As you can see, it's got the rear view camera. Storage space at the back, alloy wheels. Beautiful model this one is, really been looked after by the previous owner. Black cab at the front, and this is an automatic model. So let's have a look inside. Superb layout this one is. So just inside at the front, we've got the front facing seats, which gives you the extra seat belts, and drivers and passenger seat both swivel at the front. As we say, we've got the automatic gearbox on this. Beautifully done out at the front with the bronze effect edging. Nice large skylight, gives plenty of natural daylight at the front. And then towards the back, we've got an island bed. Storage either side, so his and hers wardrobes. Plenty of storage space underneath. TV point towards the rear, so you can watch that TV in bed if need be. Shower cubicle, separate to the washroom, and a small dressing table area there. And opposite to the shower cubicle, you've got the door that holds back and basically makes it into similar to an ensuite really. Toilet, vanity basin just round the corner there, and again you've got storage above and also below there, so quite a bit of storage in this one. The front makes up to a double bed, so you can accommodate those guests that come with you. And the kitchen area is a nice L-shaped galley. Round stainless steel sink, separate grill oven, and then the 4-burner hob, which gives you the electric ring, microwave. Fridge freezer. Now this is a large fridge unit, so it's the fridge model in there. Plenty of storage, ideal for those cans or bottles of wine. Just another little look round in here. So it is a spacious motorhome, this one. It's ideal. It's a nice lounge area at the front. So if you would like some more information on this model, please give us a call or pop in and see us.